You can see by Unix time, it's exactly 84,000. I was just doing some philosophy, basically. I'm just doodling, thinking about just random stuff. I was looking at prime numbers last night. But here's this idea in the future. If I were a billionaire, I would launch my own fleet of satellites that's 3 times bigger than the GPS fleet. I would give everyone in the world their own handheld smart device. At some point in the future, maybe at the UN, I would launch what's called, the Spear. And at that point in time, every radio station and TV would film the launch of it. And in the future, this Spear could be moved around the world by the committee, maybe some committee attached to the UN, for example. And anyone on the internet could go and look at it and see how we're showing the human condition. The advantage to the human condition is that people in poor countries are given these devices, and they should be free to carry them because they can access the internet, and their digital footprint is logged to their identity. And they have free access to all information that exists. At any given time, when you go to the site to see where the Spear is, you will see an augmented reality. You will see the augmented reality of the Spear, however big it is, and whatever radius, maybe it's like 100-meter radius, that the committee says that here's the point, and within 100 meters, we're going to see everyone's basically CCTV footage. So they're contacted and they're asked to hold up and film. And when you watch it, when you log in live and watch it, you see the committee members in the Spear discussing the human condition at that point and time on Earth. All their discourse gets transcribed and added to the wall. The related topics then bring you to other links like the WHA or UNICEF or whatever committee. And of course there's advertising on the bottom. But then the record of where that Spear has traveled across humanity since it was conceived, it's all there in hyperlinks, so all the discourse. So that allows the world to see the state of the world in its present form, what the human condition is. That is one way to advance the human condition. Because eventually you would hope that you could penetrate these toxic countries, these conflict zones, with this technology to be able to say that the Spear is going to go to Tehran next. We want to eavesdrop on a protest for democracy in Tehran. Anyone in Tehran can log in and see it, and then they can then have access to the intellects that discuss the issues, what the issues were, what was said. Here's how the rest of the world sees this stuff. It's a brilliant idea. It really is. So that's what I would do to improve the global human condition. I like that idea. Yeah. So that's the end of my video. And it's 6:43 and 2 seconds by UTC.